Greetings and welcome back to 360DigiTMG channel. Let me first congratulate everyone who has joined the session or who's joining the session. Why congratulations? Because you people have chosen the right career path that is the most happening career path in the industry right now. That's right. You are trying to upskill yourself in the space of data analytics or data science. Anything to deal with data is something which is the most happening area in the industry right now. And you have chosen that. So on that context, I would want to congratulate you people. But I also want to bring up a very, very important point for all those people who are desperate to make big waves into your career paths as data analysts or data scientists. I know a lot of people are struggling in this area, right? So that's the reason why you see that slide. We have trained, right? This is a pretty simple and straightforward challenge that majority of you people have. You got trained, right? You have undergone the training. Could be from YouTube. It could be from professional trainings. It could be from your academics. So you have learned the concepts of data science and the related skills. But when you're facing the interview or you're not even getting the calls, so how can you crack the interviews or how can you begin your career, right? So you're not able to resolve this particular problem. So this is where we from 360DigiTMG wanted to help all the budding data scientists and data analysts, whether you're experienced or whether you're a fresher. If you want to get into data science or data analytics job roles, then you need to look into the market requirements, right? What is the industry currently requiring? If you're not able to showcase those skills or if you're not covering that gap, then forget about facing the interview. Your resume will not be even shortlisted. So this free internship program, I'm quoting it free. So it's a completely free program. You would want to join this program to ensure that that gap that you people have is filled up. Now that gap is the skill that is required to productionize your model. Now, I know majority of you people are saying that, hey, I know Python, I have understood the skills of mastered the skills of supervised learning, unsupervised learning. I know time series forecasting techniques. I've trained multiple models, regression cases or classification models. So what else is required? I have everything in my resume. Now, practically speaking, do you think an organization would be good in, looking at only the training case? Because there is a customer waiting. You trained and you're keeping it in your local machine. The solution that you developed is in your local machine. How does your customer get that solution? They have to start using it. They have to use it for new data. So what you do? Probably majority of you are not aware of this. We call this as productionizing. Productionizing your solution. We call it as deployment. So we will follow this golden rule called CRISP MLQ methodology and try to learn how do we deploy a already trained machine learning model. That is the scope of this free internship program. The only and only prerequisite that is required for you to enroll into this program is you should be familiar with your data science or machine learning skills. If you are not aware of machine learning capabilities or the concepts of data science, then you have to enroll into the other internship program that we run. That happens on Fridays. You can join the YouTube channel on Fridays. To enroll into that, you can basically watch the, right, or wait for the registration links and then join them. But if you're already familiar with these concepts, then this is the program that you should enroll. And we are very confident. Once you complete this internship program and add the skills that you are going to learn as part of the program in your resume, then definitely you will see much more traction to your resume, because you will be bringing in all those key skills that are required by the industries in current date. And this is a CSR program, friends, community service program that we are launching, and hence it is completely free. This internship program runs in two phases in a 30 days duration. So it is not even large spanning program that you might want to really worry about the duration of your day and how long you have to plan and all that. It's a 30-day program, and we have designed the program in such a way that within the 30 days, you will be learning all the skills that are required to enhance your profile. We will split this into two phases. The first phase is beginning from tomorrow. This phase will be a training period where 20 days you would go through the concepts, you will learn the concepts, and to ensure that your learning happens, from our side, we are going to push YouTube videos. So you can also go through the YouTube channel that we have. I'll show the YouTube channel also. So you would be given 3 videos per day, each video spanning around 1 hour to 2 hours duration. First video will come at 6 a.m. It covers Python related programming concepts. A majority of you are already familiar with Python, but it serves as a refresh, right? Go through the concepts and refresh yourself. Then 12 noon, you would have crisp MLQ related videos. We're not talking about data science, regular machine learning model training videos, but here you will be learning on the trade secrets, right? The tricks of how a project should be handled. Project management methodology related concepts will be discussed. For data science projects, what are the important process that we'll have to follow? This will be covered in these videos, which will be posted at 12 p.m. And the most important for this particular internship program is the deployment skills. So at 6 p.m. in the evening, you would have a video on model deployment. So 20 days, you would get these videos, different videos, of course, a series of videos on daily basis. Weekdays, Monday to Friday. All right. And at 9 p.m. on daily basis, there will be questions posted on the LinkedIn page. So you'll also have to go through the LinkedIn, 360DigiTMG LinkedIn page, and address the questions that are posted there. These questions come from the videos. You will have to type the answer. It is not MCQs. MCQs is easy. I mean, you can very easily write it. But we want to understand that your learning is happening in the right way. So we request you to comment your answer. It's a short answer type questions that we post. 9 p.m. every day. We will keep tracking the performance of various participants who are enrolling into the program. And once this 20 days duration is completed, then you will have the 10 days hands-on duration. This is where your project phase happens, and you will be doing this hands-on from all the learning that you have here. And in the project phase, we will have an MLOps expert from our side. I'll show you the alumni also. Right? And these people will guide you on what you need to do. On daily basis, there will be a strict 15 minutes meeting, Monday to Friday, and 15 minutes strict. And you will be dealing with these questions on what you have done, what you should be doing, and if you have any challenges, you'll have to bring up those challenges in the discussion. So everybody will get a chance to speak, and everybody should and must speak in that 15 minutes. Strict 15 minutes. So that time management is also a skill that we will learn. We will discuss more about this project phase when we go there. But from tomorrow onwards, your learning phase begins. Now, let me bring up the 360DigiTMG website. You might want to look into our Alumni Strength. All our students are working in very, very reputed organizations, the big four, right? And the big companies, basically, MNCs. You can go to that, click on the link, right? Click on success stories link. And this is where you can see all our alumni details. People who accepted their profiles to be there on the website in public, you can see their details here. You can also download a PDF here. And in the PDF, you can also see the company details here. Right? You can also visit their LinkedIn profiles as well. You can connect with them, try to get more knowledge on how they prepare and what they are currently doing. Right? All those interactions, our alumni are always open and they're friendly. You can always contact them. So yeah, look at these names: HCL, Capgemini. Then you also have Solidness, Sonera Tech, Cognizant, Factly. Then I can also talk about TCS, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, Novartis. So these are different companies our alumni are working, and many more. These success stories are because of the industry knowledge that we have. And we try to understand the differences that our team has compared to the industry requirements. And we try to fill that gap. That is the reason why our students are there in the positions they are right now, right? They're working in different big companies. So this is the overview of the success stories. Now, if I scroll down, you can also see the LinkedIn and YouTube page. So you might want to go through this YouTube and LinkedIn pages, friends. On the YouTube, you can see the podcast, the shorts. We conduct live sessions right now. This is a live session that is happening, right? So there are other live sessions that happen. And we also have the playlists where all the important things are discussed, like auto EDA libraries are being discussed, generative AI and ChatGPT related things, MLOps concepts are discussed, right? This is where the deployment related concepts are being discussed. You can go through this playlist and then try to gain more knowledge that is required. So data science deployment models, how do you deploy, right? So there are important information that is available here on the YouTube. You might want to subscribe and go through the videos. And if I come to the page, right, you can see the LinkedIn page where we have different posts, and all these posts are again funny and informative, right? And we also talk about latest happenings in the industry, right? Real-time posture correction, computer vision algorithms. So if somebody is sleeping in the class, what should they do? Right? All these are discussed principally. As I said, there is a lot of informative discussions and posts that are happening. Project related, and then right, these kind of flashcards, blogs, all these are happening in the LinkedIn page. So go through this LinkedIn page and right, you might want to take the advantage of the project information that is available here. You would be right, addressing the questions that are posted on this LinkedIn page. Okay, so architectural diagrams, the projects, etc. will be there. So this is the overview of the program that we want you to join. All you have to do is register. And how do you register? You will have to join the YouTube link. You'll have to join the link that is posted on the YouTube chat. Right now, our team will post the link, and this will redirect you to the WhatsApp group. Once you're in the WhatsApp group, you will be seeing a registration link. You can click on the registration link and give your details and provide an evidence like a screenshot that you have already undergone the training, machine learning and your Python related required trainings. If you can showcase then you're eligible to join this particular program. And at the end of the program, you'll also be given a certificate. So you'll have to successfully complete the project and you will be given a certificate. You can showcase the certificate also in your resume, right? And that adds a lot of value. Project certificates will add a lot of value. And we are not charging anything. As you can see, it is in right bold. We don't charge even a single penny for this particular program. So welcome. You might want to join the program and then start upskilling yourself with this very, very much required concepts in your profile. You'll have to add these skills into your profile. Now, let me take up your questions. If you people have any questions, please bring them up. I'll be happy to address them. Okay. All right. I don't see any questions. So looking forward to connect with you all. And good luck, friends. Happy learning.